Hey, we're here with Scott from Sport Truck. You guys know Sport Truck from great brands like BDS, FASS, Method Wheels, JKS, and another one that's not talked about much. What is it, Scott?
Zone Off-Road. Zone Off-Road makes suspension kits, entry-level stuff, more price-oriented toward your everyday customer.
Yeah, perfect. So like a smaller town, or maybe somebody, you know, working that uses their truck every day that doesn't want to buy the more expensive kits like BDS $8,000 kit, or
right.
You know, they can get something more affordable.
Right.
And then that's why you built this truck, right?
Yeah, exactly. This is actually my personal truck. I wanted to build a truck that was more oriented for your everyday guy.
Yep.
Your truck that is your 18 to 25-year-old, or your everyday, you know, your electrician, your welder, your plumber guy who loves his truck but doesn't want to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on a crazy suspension kit. You can get into a kit for fairly inexpensive.
Sweet. So tell us some about the suspension lift.
Yeah, so this is actually our Zone Off-Road 6.5-inch kit with radius arm.
Okay.
It also has our FASS Adventure Series shocks on it. So FASS Adventure Series shocks are actually made in Coldwater, Michigan, where the Zone kit's made, along with our other brands like BDS, JKS, Crawltech. They're a great style shock. That's an entry-level shock, 2.0 style with a steel body.
Okay. And you were telling me some information on the wheels. These are like a Method wheel that's on the better affordable price too, right?
Yeah, so this is a Method 22x12 on this truck. I wanted to go with the Method wheel. Number one, it's one of our brands we're very proud of, but also it's the newest design from them. It's called the raised wheels.
Yeah.
It's a 22x12 on this particular truck with a -40 offset. It's more traditionalized toward your truck guys. So instead of running a smaller wheel like a 17 to 20, like Method's known for, you can get into a raised wheel with a 20 or 22-inch wheel that is a more aesthetically high-end looking wheel.
Yeah. Yeah, they do look great. I mean, you're gonna see, we're gonna get some video of them. These are great looking wheels, and roughly about 500 bucks a piece, he said, for 22 by 12.
Depending on your options, depending on your offset, and overall, you can get them in black, silver, where they have a gunmetal gray one as well. Depending on your options, anywhere from about $400 to $500 a piece.
Perfect. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions about, you know, any of the sport truck brands, don't hesitate to reach out to us at FASSmotorsports.com or give us a shout.